Welcome to my channel. We have an interesting logarithmic equation before us here to solve. Now, if log x base 4 plus log x base 4 equals 2, we have to find the value of x that will satisfy this equation. And we have these following options. A, neither positive or negative 4. B, 4. C, negative 4. And D, 0. Which of these options is correct? Let's have a solution. We have log x to base 4 plus log x to base 4 equals 2. Now, what is the best step to be taken right now? At this point, we have several ways or methods we can apply here to solve this. But I'm going to introduce to you a very unique and the simplest method we can apply or step we can apply right here so that we can get the right value of x. Now, since they have the same base and the same argument here, we are going to combine like terms. That is, we are going to have here log x base 4 plus log x base 4. This is just the same thing as saying a plus a, which will give us 2a. Now here, this will give us 2 log x base 4 equals 2. Now the next step to be considered here is for you to divide both sides of the equation through by 2. You divide here by 2. You divide here by 2. We are right here. 2 here will eliminate 2. And we have log x to base 4. And this equals here 2 divided by 2, that gives us 1. And at this point, we are going to apply this logarithmic property. Note that if you have log a base b equals c, that a here equals b to the power of c. That means we have transformed this equation from logarithmic to an exponential. Then at this point, we apply this same principle right here. We are going to have here that x equals 4 to the power of 1. Now 4 to the power of 1 will still give us 4. Then as such, x right here equals 4. And this is the value of x. And from the options here, we have b. Therefore, b is the right option here. If we check it the other way around, from this equation now, from here, if you want to apply product row here, this equation will transform and we have something of this nature, that x squared equals 16. At this point here, x we have two values which give us neither positive or negative 4. But logarithm cannot be expressed as a negative because logarithm to negative value is undefined. Then as such, we only consider the positive value of x right here. When as such, this option is wrong. And with this, we consider the option B the very best and the right option and the right value of x that will satisfy this logarithmic equation right here.